Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. Welcome to this weekend vlog. We were up bright and early, just after 5, and we did our yoga workout this morning. Been trying to keep up with yoga, starting to get, oh, you can't even tell, a very, very small little baby bump. I am 17 weeks pregnant this week, so it's starting to get harder to work out, but I'm still trying to keep up with it and just reducing where I need to. We got a great big snowstorm last night. It was supposed to come in a lot earlier than it actually did. They were saying that it was supposed to start around 6, and it didn't actually start until like after 9. But there is quite a bit of snow out there. Our deck was shoveled right off yesterday. Look at how like snow blasted everything is. But yeah, that snow pile is probably up to like my knees. Our windows are all nicely frosted over in the back of the house. And look at how the snow is just sitting on this tree. It's so pretty. The snow looks really nice, but once you start to get to this time of year, you just want it to go away. I'm tired of being cold and trying to keep everything shoveled, even though that's Jamie's job. But yeah, we have a dentist appointment this morning and we have to leave in just over an hour. So yeah, I don't think the drive is going to be very great. That is a lot of snow. Claire is having some waffles for breakfast. And I'm making Jamie and I some fried egg sandwiches. Jamie's knocking down the snow shelf on our roof so it doesn't fall on anyone's head. We came in from shoveling. Oh, careful, we're having some hot chocolate. Claire's got some marshmallows in hers. Jamie's having coffee. We'll have to shovel again probably in a little bit because it's still snowing and the plow hasn't come by yet. Since we're home and we have no plans really, Claire and I are gonna make some cookies. Had to do some prep work first though because I wasn't exactly planning, keep your hands away, hot. Wasn't exactly planning on making cookies. Currently trying to thaw some frozen butter, and I had to revive my brown sugar because it was hard as a rock and solid, so I just added some water. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning. I didn't really get anything filmed past us making cookies. We had a very busy day with Clara. It's either terrible twos or the fact that it's so close to the full moon that she's just being very crazy. Sunday was really nice. We just kind of did all our chores. We did a little extra cleaning because we are having Clara's birthday party next weekend. And yeah, so we didn't really get up to anything like super exciting, but I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.